All right, so there's a bit of a leak here. See this? And boom, it's coming out right there. Stop the pump. So there's a bit of a leak on this one that I gotta fix. It looks like it's this one here. So what I'm gonna do is cut that PEX. Put a new one on. This is the PEX kit I have. We're gonna need one of these straight ones here. This is the 1/2 inch by 1/2 inch PEX connector. I'm gonna put it in to screw a new one in. I'm gonna cut it, put that in. 3 things. I'm gonna use one, a shark bite ring, one of these, and we're gonna cut the existing PEX right off with this PEX cutting tool. I'm gonna cut it as high as I can to the top, so I can just drop a new one in and reseal it.
Okay, let me just see the stuff closer because you did it really fast. Okay, so here's the Pro PEX.
Yeah, so I'm gonna cut it now.
Okay.
I'm gonna give a quick cut. Like I said, I gotta cut as low as possible. So right about here. Boom. Hopefully there's enough room to go up. Otherwise I gotta buy an extension. Tons of room. Perfect. So now I'm gonna unscrew this. Like so. Okay, this is the old one. Gone. So we're gonna put this ring in first. Like so. Then we're gonna add this PEX right in. Like so. Okay, so the last step is to crimp. See this tool here? Look carefully. It's a crimping tool. It closes and it crimps. And one more time. It closes and then it crimps. So we're taking this. We're grabbing that piece ahead. It's kind of hard because the camera's in my way, but I'll try my best. There we go. In there. You see that? Grabbed it. Now I crimp tightly, all the way closed, and let go. This tool crimps everything to the right spec, so you don't gotta worry. So I know that that is crimped out well. So now let's go point upwards so I can screw this back in. Now hopefully, after I screw this back in, and turn the water pump back on. Let's see what happens. Turn it on, please. Turn off the kitchen pipe. Pressurizing. There you go. No more leaks. That's what you want to hear. You want to hear the pump stopping. You want to see on, off, on, off. Go back to the bottom. I know there's no leak because the pump isn't making any noises. So there you go. It's fixed. Stop and check. No moisture. Good to go. So that's it. Fixed. This is the piece I cut off. If you wanted to reuse this piece for some reason, maybe you ran out, maybe you just want to buy new ones, that's okay. You must break this piece here. There's a tool, which is this one, where you can stick like this, squeeze many times, and cut it right here. And then this will just snap right open because all the tension will be broken. Like I said, this tool, that's what it's for. But I realized that's not the best tool. I now resort to using a Dremel, and I just cut right here in the middle, and it snaps right open really easy with a Dremel. So a rotary cutting tool, whatever you want to call it, that's the other way to do it. I want to show you that I have some other connectors. which might apply to you. This one is like an L connector. Here are my straight heads, similar to what I used just now. And we have some angle heads here with a front half by half connector. Right? So you have this, you have this, you have this. You have many different pieces you can use to connect your PEX together. But what I just demonstrated to you is how to put a clamp and crimp a connector together so it doesn't leak, or how to repair a leak. I hope you guys learned something from that video. This is how you fix a leak. Please like and subscribe because it keeps me motivated to keep showing you these tips and tricks. It grows my channel, and everyone's happy in the end, including me. So please like and subscribe. Have the Best Fam Outdoor Show. Hope you enjoyed this channel. Peace out.